to launch your own digital empire without writing a single word? Imagine grabbing 50 premium ebooks you can rebrand, resell, or give away with zero restrictions. If that sounds exciting, stick with me, because this might be the easiest shortcut to online income you'll ever see. My honest take? The PLR Firestorm Bundle is a no-brainer for beginners and even experienced marketers. Unlike most PLR that comes with annoying limits, this one gives you total freedom. You can sell the ebooks, bundle them, use them for list building, or even create full courses from them. For under 15 bucks, this is insane value. So what exactly is PLR Firestorm Bundle? It's a package of 50 high-quality ebooks across 5 hot niches like internet marketing, health and wellness, personal development, finance, and relationships. Each comes with unrestricted private label rights, which means you can literally do anything with them: rebrand, resell, or even claim authorship. This is perfect for beginners who want a shortcut to having ready-to-sell products, affiliate marketers who need lead magnets or bonuses, coaches and content creators who want authority content fast. And the biggest pain point it solves? You don't have to spend weeks creating content or thousands hiring writers. It's all done for you. Once you grab access, you'll get an instant download link. Inside, you'll see all 50 ebooks neatly organized by niche. Each ebook comes with source files, so editing, rebranding, and customizing them is super easy. You can also bundle multiple ebooks into a bigger package, turn them into courses, or just sell them individually as digital products. It's basically plug and play.
Dear digital entrepreneurs and content creators, are you tired of staring at a blank page, struggling to write your next ebook? Still spending weeks creating content or paying freelancers hundreds of dollars to do it for you? What if you could eliminate the hard work and launch your very own ebook business today without writing a single word, hiring a designer, or dealing with technical hassles? Introducing PLR Firestorm Bundle with Unrestricted PLR. Your complete, done-for-you library of ready-to-sell ebooks with full unrestricted private label rights. This is your shortcut to launching a real digital product business, saving time, cutting costs, and skipping the grind entirely, even if you're just getting started. With PLR Firestorm Bundle, you'll gain instant access to 50 polished and professionally written ebooks across 5 of the most in-demand niches online, including internet marketing, health and wellness, fitness and yoga, kids ebooks, self-help. These are not scraped, recycled, or outdated files. Every ebook has been carefully crafted to help you deliver real value, grow your brand, and generate consistent income, starting today. And the best part? Every single ebook comes with full unrestricted private label rights. That means you can rebrand, bundle, resell, or repurpose them any way you choose, and keep 100% of the profits. Here's exactly what you're getting. 10 expertly written ebooks on internet marketing, including traffic generation, funnels, email marketing, SEO, and online business growth. 10 engaging ebooks on health and wellness, covering topics like stress relief, natural living, clean eating, and daily wellness habits. 10 ready-to-use ebooks on fitness and yoga, with practical guides, beginner workouts, and wellness routines designed for any fitness level. 10 fun and educational kids ebooks, perfect for teachers, parents, and children's brands who need age-appropriate, engaging content. 10 personal development self-help ebooks, focused on mindset, motivation, confidence, and emotional growth. Each ebook in this collection is professionally written, carefully formatted, and designed to meet the highest standards, making it easy to integrate into your business, resell as your own, or offer as high-value content to your audience right away. Here's what you can do with this bundle. Sell the ebooks individually or in themed packages. Use them as lead magnets to grow your email list faster. Add them as bonuses to boost your offers and sales pages. Include them in your coaching programs or digital memberships. Repurpose the content into blog posts, videos, courses, or social media content. Or offer them as done-for-you products to your freelance or agency clients. There are no restrictions, no royalty fees, and no ongoing costs. You can sell on your own website, through email funnels, or even on platforms like Etsy and Amazon. Every sale goes directly into your pocket. This is your chance to skip the content creation grind and launch a real product-based business, one that's already done for you and built to scale. With just one small investment, you'll walk away with a full digital product library that can start generating income immediately. But this is a limited time offer and may not be available again. So don't wait, click the button below and get instant access to PLR Firestorm Bundle with Unrestricted PLR. Now start selling high-quality ebooks under your own name and build a brand that lasts, all without starting from scratch. This is your shortcut to building an authority-driven, profitable digital business, and it starts right here.
Now, besides the main bundle, there are a few optional upgrades. Upsell 1, more unrestricted PLR bundles at $47. Great if you want to expand your library. Upsell 2, another set of PLR rights at $13.95. Upsell 3, additional PLR package for $47. High Ticket, a done-for-you product creation service valued at $5,000. You only need the front end to start, but if you want more done-for-you products, the upgrades add huge value. And to make this even sweeter, I'm including my exclusive bonus stack when you grab PLR Firestorm through the link below. Here's what you'll get free. WP Email Timer Plus, add scarcity timers to boost sales. WP Notification Bar, create high-converting alerts on your site. Lead Fusion Elite, capture more leads with smart forms. FB Viral Turbo Machine, build email lists using Facebook freebies. WP Checkout Maximizer, reduce cart abandonment instantly. Pin Marketer, unlock free traffic from Pinterest. Affiliate Marketing Thrive course, learn to scale as an affiliate. CPA Marketing Excellence Pack, step-by-step guide to profit with CPA. Auto Support Bot, add live chat support to your website in minutes. Backlinks Warrior software, find powerful backlinks to rank on Google. These bonuses alone are worth hundreds, and they're yours free when you grab PLR Firestorm Bundle today. But remember, these bonuses are only available for the next 48 hours or for the first 25 buyers. So here's the bottom line. If you've ever wanted to build your own digital business, sell products online, or just grow your list faster, the PLR Firestorm Bundle is the fastest and cheapest way to do it. For less than $15, you're getting 50 unrestricted ebooks, plus my exclusive bonuses. But don't wait. Once the timer hits 0, the discount and my bonuses disappear for good. Click the first link in the description right now to secure your copy before it's gone. Thanks for watching this review. If you found it helpful, hit that like button, drop a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest product reviews. Your bonuses will be delivered instantly inside Warrior Plus after purchase. So click the link below, grab PLR Firestorm, and I'll see you on the inside.